In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and use special characters within your documents, focusing specifically on inserting tick marks and cross symbols. This can be especially useful for creating checklists, marking completed tasks, or simply adding visual elements to your text. So let's dive in and explore how you can easily enhance your documents with these symbols. First, to get started, you'll want to open your document and navigate to the Insert menu found at the top of your screen. Once you click on Insert, you'll see a variety of options, but today we're going to be selecting Special Characters. This action will bring up a new panel on your screen, displaying a vast array of characters and symbols that you can use to enrich your document. Now, within this Special Characters window, you'll notice a blank drawing panel on the right. This is a powerful tool that allows you to search for symbols by drawing them. It's particularly handy if you're not sure of the exact name or keyword for the symbol you need. Let me show you how it works. To insert a tick mark, start by simply drawing a tick shape in the blank panel. As you're sketching, you'll notice that the left side of the window automatically updates to show a list of symbols that match your drawing. In most cases, the heavy check mark should appear among the top results. Click on this symbol to insert it directly into your document at the current cursor position. If you're looking to insert a tick within a box, there's just a slight variation. First, draw a simple box in the drawing area. Doing this will filter your search results to display boxes or squares. Once you have your selection of boxes, draw a tick mark inside that box. Among the results that appear, you'll find the tick mark in a square. Just like before, selecting it will place it into your document. Similarly, if you need a cross symbol inside a box, the process is quite intuitive. Start by drawing a box as we did before. Then add an X or cross inside the box. This action will hone in on symbols that match your drawing. Don't be surprised if you see a variety of options, but look for a ballot box type symbol with a cross inside the square, which should be one of the top results. Once it appears, click to insert it where needed. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to incorporate special characters into your text using these handy tools. This is a great feature if you often use visual indicators in your documents. Give it a try to see how it can elevate the clarity and professionalism of your work. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.